Let me compliment the organizers for organizing this event today in a prestigious and wonderful convocation hall of University of Mumbai. Let me also congratulate the organizers for organizing these events for the benefit of the society, for the benefit of the poor people in this society. We have to bridge the gap between haves and have-nots. And I am happy that this organization has came forward to help the poor in the society. I remember the words of senior John F. Kennedy, who said, when he was addressing the rich people, he said, unless and until rich people takes care of the poor people will not allow rich people to live happily. That is true not only in US, but it is true on this earth. And therefore this event is very, very important from that point of view. If we really want to maintain the harmony in the society, then everybody has to live together. And this is what the message the organizers would like to give to all of us and to everybody in the society. The name of the organization is Joy Fest. In fact, what happens in festivals? Festivals are organized and celebrated for joy. And therefore we organize the festivals. And if we really want to get joy out of it, then I remember one sentence which I would like to tell you, and that sentence is in Hindi. The sentence says, जीवन एक संघर्ष नहीं, जीवन एक उत्सव है, फेस्टिवल। जीवन एक संघर्ष नहीं, जीवन एक उत्सव है। जीवन चेतना की ऊंचाइयों के ऊपर पहुंचने का अवसर है, उसे गवाइयो मत। And therefore, if we really want to enjoy, if we really want to get the fruits of enjoyment, then we must consider our life as a festival. And if we consider our life as a festival, then we will have to take care of those poor people because of whom we are living happily. The moment you take care of them, then we all will live very happily. And that is the message which this organization would like to give. And therefore I have said yes to this function. The only condition was I told them you organize the program in University of Mumbai because I may not be able to come out because of several other engagements as Vice Chancellor of this university. I wish the organization the very best, and whatever giving which I have to do from myself, from my university, I will try and give maximum to the society from whom I am getting so many things. With this, I wish once again all of you the very best for your future, and I thank the organizers for inviting me here, and I thank all the audience for listening to me or hearing to me whatever you have done. Thank you very much.